So example 2.43, in an geometric progression, the fourth term is 8 by 9 and seventh term is 64 by 243. Find the geometric progression. So given in GP they given the fourth term, that is 8 by 9, and the seventh term is given 64 by 243. Find the geometric progression, that is general form of the GP. What is the general form of GP? AR square and so on. That we are going to find. So for this we need A and R value. Using these two conditions we are going to find A and R values. So they given T4, fourth term, 8 by 9. So already we know Tn formula, Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. Then T4 na AR cube equal to 8 by 9. Take it as equation number 1. Next, T7th term, T7 equal to 64 by 243. T7 na AR power 6 equal to 64 by 243. Take it as equation number 2. So now already I told in the before sum, whatever that R power should be greater, that only have to take in the numerator. So here 6, here 3. So I have to take 2 in the numerator. So 2 divided by 1 we are going to do. You will get AR power 6 by AR cube equal to 64 by 243 whole divided by 8 by 9. Here A and A will get cancelled. R power 6 minus 3 will get R cube. 64 by 243 into 8 by 9 you take reciprocal and get 9 by 8. 8 ones are 8 eights are 9 ones are 9 27 sir. So you get 8 divided by 27. Here cube no. So 8 can be written as 2 cube. 3 can be written as 27 can be written as 3 cube. So R cube equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. Here the powers are same. So you can bases are also equal. R equal to 2 by 3. So you find R value. Now we are going to find A value. So I am going to substitute that R in equation number 1. So substituting the value of R in 1. So what is the first equation? AR cube equal to 8 by 9. A, R is 2 by 3. So R cube na 2 by 3 whole cube equal to 8 by 9. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So you get A into 8 by 27 equal to 8 by 9. Send this to the right hand side. It will take reciprocal, so 27 by 8. Here 8 will get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 threes are. So A value will get 3. So that's the geometric progression. Therefore the geometric progression is AR square and so on. A is 3. AR na 3 into 2 by 3. AR square na 3 into 2 by 3 whole square. So 3, this will get cancelled, you will get 2. Here 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So cancel this, you will get 4 by 3. So that only I will get. So you will get the GP as 3, 2, 4 by 3 and so on. Did you understand this sum? Move on to next example 2.44. So the product of 3 consecutive terms of a geometric progression is 343 and the sum is 91 by 3. Find the 3 terms. Already I told 3 consecutive terms of a GP. Now what you have to take? A by R, AR. So they given the product. So product of this is 343 and the sum also given. Sum is 91 by 3. We are going to find the 3 terms. So let the 3 consecutive terms in GP be A by R, AR. So product of the 3 terms equal to 343 they given in the question. So product means multiply these 3 terms. A by R into A into AR equal to 343. RR will get cancelled. A into A will get A cube equal to 343. This 343 can be written as 7 cube. A cube equal to 7 cube. Cube. The powers are equal. So the bases are also equal. You will get A equal to 7. So second condition they given. Sum of the 3 terms equal to 91 by 3. That is A by R plus AR equal to 91 by 3. In these three terms, you can take A as common. If you take A common, you will get 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 91 by 3. Okay, so A value will find how much? 7. Substitute 7 into 1 plus R square by R. Here I take the LCM. Okay, so here the denominator is R, no? So the LCM will be R. Here multiply and divide with R. Here also multiply and divide with R. You will get 1 plus R square divided by R equal to 91 by 3. So send this term to the right hand side. You will get 1 plus R square by R equal to 91 by 3 into 7. Cancel this 7 ones are 7, 13 sir. You will get 13 by 3. Okay, so here I wrote 1 plus R square by R equal to 13 by 3. Now do the cross multiplying. So 3 into 1 plus R square equal to 13 into R, 13R. So multiply this 3. You will get 3 ones are 3, 3 into R, 3R square equal to 13R. Send this 13R to the left hand side. So write in order 3R square plus 3R minus 13R plus 3 equal to 0. So these two are like terms. So plus 3R minus 13R you get minus 10R plus 3 equal to 0. Here we got a quadratic equation. So all this equation you get the R values. So using sum and product I will solve here. So sum is minus 10. Product is 3 3s are 9. 9 1s are minus 9 minus 1. So write 3R square minus 9R minus R plus 3 equal to 0. In this both terms take 3R as common. You will get R minus 3. In these two terms take it out minus 1 as common. R minus 3 equal to 0. So R minus 3, R minus 3. 3R minus 1 equal to 0. So take it this one first. R minus 3 equal to 0. Then you will get R equal to 3. 3R minus 1 equal to 0. Send this minus 1 to that side now. 3R equal to 1. R equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So here we got two values for R. R equal to 3. R 1 by 3. So first take A is 7 and R is 3. Then the three terms are that is A by R. A by R na 7 by 3. A na 7. A R na 7 into 3 you will get 21. So you will get 7 by 3 comma 7 comma 21. So here A equal to 7 R another value is 1 by 3. So R equal to 1 by 3. Then the three terms are 7 A by R. A by R means 7 by 1 by 3. A is 7. A R na 7 into 1 by 3. So take reciprocal 7 by 1 by 3 now. 7 into 3 by 1 you know. So 7 3s are 21 by 1 you get 21 comma 7 by 3. So did you understand this? Next move on to the 11th sum. Sivamani is attending an interview for a job and the company gave 2 offers to him. So Shivamani is a person, he is attending an interview for a job. The company gives 2 offers to him. Offer A that is rupees 20,000 to start with followed by a guaranteed annual increase of 6% for first 5 years. So first year salary will be 20,000. Every year they are giving increase. Guaranteed means definitely they are going to give 6% increase for the first 5 years. Okay. Offer B, they are giving another offer that is the starting salary will be 22,000 and the guaranteed annual increase of 3% for the first 5 years. Okay. So what is his salary in the 4th year with respect to offer A and B? We are going to find this one. Okay. So first take offer A. Starting salary what? Rupees 20,000. So increase in salary per year that is 6%. 6% is not 6 by 100. So the salary after first year, that is 20,000 plus 6% of 20,000. That is 6 by 100 of 20,000. Already we saw one sum, the same only here also. So take 20,000 common, we will get 1 plus 6 by 100. Here you take LCM now, multiply and divide by 100. You will get 100 plus 6, 106 divided by 100. So salary after second year. So 20,000 into, here 106 by 100 in the first year, no? So 106 by 100 whole square. 20,000 into 106 by 100 whole square will be the salary after second year. So continuing like this, the salary increase will be in GP. That is A equal to first salary 20,000. How much it is increasing? That ratio. Common ratio is 106 by 100. In the fourth year means T4. So in before some we saw after 5 years they ask. So you find T6. But here in the fourth year means you have to find T4. T4 equal to AR cube. Substitute A value 20,000 into R is 106 by 100 whole cube. So if you solve this, that is 20,000 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. If you solve now, we will get 23,820. So offer A gives fourth year salary as 23,820. Now we move on to the same procedure. We move on to the offer B. So offer B, what is the starting salary? 22,000. So increase in salary per year 3% only they given. 3% is nothing but 3 by 100. So the salary after first year, I directly write it written here 22,000 into 103 by 100. So how will you get now? The same procedure here also. 20,000 into 106 by 100. 6% increase now, you will get 106 by 100 here. That only here 3% is 3 by 100. 22,000 into 103 by 100. So then salary after second year equal to 22,000 into 103 by 100 whole square. So by continuing like this, the salary increase will be in GP. The salary increase will be in GP. Okay, so A equal to 22,000, R equal to 103 by 100. Here also they ask for 2 years salary. 4th year salary is nothing but T4 equal to AR cube. You know the formula TN. A into R power n minus 1, So T4 equal to AR cube. A is 23,000 into 103 by 100 whole cube. So 22,000 into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100. If you simplify this, you will get 24,040 rupees. 24,040. So in the fourth year, the salary with respect to offer A is 23,820. With respect to offer B is 24,040. So which salary is better? Which offer is better now? Offer B only better. Okay, that's all my dear children. Thank you.